Hello, I am Eliana Ortiz and I'm going to talking about the technological advance and climatic change. I want to express my concern about the climatic change caused by the technological advance in the world. The increase in population has brought with the increase in the number of industries in the city. These companies often dump their toxic waste directly into the rivers, generating water pollution and damage to the ecosystem. Gas emission into the atmosphere, which accelerates global warming. However, some companies are making electric cars and making use of the solar energy, which is very important, and I would like you to promote this type of progress. I consider technology to be very important, and the technological advance of recent years have been absolutely necessary for the advancement of the society in many respects and have significantly improved our quality of life. However, it's time to start controlling this situation and take measures regarding environment impact. It's important that the governments of the world, the Organization of the United Nations, develop policies for a sustainable environment. I recommend that large companies develop social and environment responsibility programs with the aim of achieving sustainable development.